So what do you do if you need to find the first term in the sequence? We said to find the rule, you needed to know d and t sub 1, and we don't have that, but we can still fill in some other things. So first we should always find our difference. So it looks like I'm adding 6 every time. So d is 6. So let's fill that part in. T sub n equals t sub 1 plus 6 times n minus 1. We can't solve something that has 3 variables, so we need to fill in at least 2. So you're going to pick the least offensive pair of numbers to use. I would say 97 and negative 30 or 100 and negative 12. Neither of them is going to be really that ideal. So I'm going to pick 100 and negative 12. 100 is n, and t sub 100, the 100th term, is negative 12. Well, why don't we plug these two things in? So our n's are going to become 100s. They become whatever you decide to plug in. So I'm going to plug in 100 for n, and I'm going to plug in negative 12 over here. And if you look, now you have an equation that has only one unknown. You can totally solve this, even though it'll be a little bit of a mess. So let's try it. We've got negative 12 equals t sub 1 plus 6 times 99. Because I don't know 6 times 99 off the top of my head, I'm actually going to use the distributive process. I'm going to say that this is 600 minus 6, and I can do that in my head. So negative 12 is equal to t sub 1 plus 594. Just solve for t sub 1. Subtract that negative 594, and you're going to get that the first term in the line is actually equal to negative 706. That should make sense. These numbers, if we go backwards, are getting deeper and deeper into negative territory, so it makes sense that this might be negative 706. And that's how you find the first term.